Hey guys, it's me Phantom Slayer back with another video, and today I'm going to be playing some Best Fiends Forever. So, this game is really fun. I love this game. I enjoy it so much. And, as you can see, I have a ton of coins, and I'm killing everything instantly. And, because I've been gone for like a day, so I got a ton of coins. And so if I buy stuff, it's like, everything is just free. The levels go up. Sorry if it's kind of laggy. I'm going to try recording on my new phone, but I need a micro SD card. Also, guys, I'm going to be recording a lot of phone gameplay, too, because I like recording on the computer, but the phone is just so much, easier to record on. Man, everything is free. I'm upgrading everything so much. The reason I'm instant killing everything, is, because if you go over here, you can see, I have 20,000 boomstones, and with boomstones you can upgrade this stuff, this, gives me more money, if I'm offline, I can be offline more, and it'll still give me money, so I can upgrade this a bunch of times, and, the reason is I have 45,000 fiend damage plus percent, or whatever. So that's why I'm instant killing everything, because I'm so much stronger than normal. Man, everything's just free. Look at them, I'm evolving them for free. 1,000 times damage. Free. 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 How much, one. Guys, I honestly think it's glitched. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, I thought it was glitched because, everything's just so, whoa. They made this guy look different on the left. Okay, here we go. So, I'm just gonna get some of these. Claim this. 10 gems. Okay, that's not too bad. It's not really good, but my friend told me not to prestige again and just to try to get to the end. But that's impossible. Okay. So I could just sit here. Why am I? It's literally everything is so cheap. Everything is so cheap that it says that I'm getting 0 coins. Okay, here we go. I don't know if I glitched the coins because I logged it on my other phone on the same game, and on this phone again. So I don't know if that did something, because I seem to have an insane amount of coins. You see this guy? Look at them, I can cheap. My money's not even going down. Oh, there it is. It's going down a little bit. Oh, my fiend damage just went up a lot at the bottom left. Okay, let me see. 100% fiend damage, I'm going to take that. Look at that, 0 coins. After this, I'm going to try going on my other phone and see what happens. I might do a hot knife. Tell me if you guys want that, hot knife. I don't know. I probably won't, but if I do, it's going to have to be really late. I mean, it's 11:30. It's going to have to be really late if I do that. Look at this guy. Didn't I, just evolve this guy? Bam. I don't know. I think I don't know. I think I glitched it because like this is abnormal. I have prestige a ton of times, and this is not normal. Look at the damage in the bottom left. It barely went up. I thought it was gonna go up a lot, but now is it gonna go up a lot? Kinda. Still 0 coins. I have 10 bombs. Okay, here we go. We're gonna get to a new place. Okay, let me see. Here we go. Sunshade Grove. I hope playing on 2 games doesn't like mess up everything. That would suck. Okay, here we go. Look at that. I'm just one-shotting everything. Free. Just got a ton of damage. Not really. I thought it was going to go up a lot. I don't know why. Well, maybe it's because I just evolved it and... Look, I got rare. It didn't even give me 1 coin. I don't think 1,000,000 gold coins is that normal. At least for me, it's not. So yes, I'm going to be recording a lot of phone gameplay, like I said. Because of, it's just so much easier, guys. Like, when I'm on my computer, my laptop, the battery's broken, so if right when it unplugs, it dies, and it's just like, I have to make sure it doesn't unplug and everything, and I don't know, it's just so much easier on this. Let's see when it actually says I'm getting 1 coin. Probably never. I don't even know what to upgrade. Oh my gosh, that used way too many coins. I didn't think that was going to use that many. Crap, that's a stupid move. Oh my gosh, I should not have upgraded that. I don't know, I thought it was just going to be like cheap. Oh, here we go, I got this guy. Okay, here we go. I'm still one-shotting everything. 1 coin! Yes! Another coin. I'm getting 1 gold coin at a time. Just gonna keep going. Oh, 2 gold coins. Okay, that's even more. What is this? I'm just gonna do fiend damage because I don't really care about slot too much. I should not have upgraded it. It costs so much, guys. 4 gold coins. That's like nothing considering that I have 1,000,000. I'm 39. I guess that's good, but everything costs a lot, so. Okay. So I hit 80 subscribers. I don't know what I think I'm gonna do a giveaway at 100. I think I'm gonna do a Google Play gift card to one of you guys. All you guys are gonna have to do is I'll either pick a random subscriber, or you guys will comment. So, yeah. Ooh, new guy. There we go. There we go. Let's get him to level 30. That should give me a lot. There we go. Man, I'm going through this easily. I think I found a new glitch. Like, playing on 2 devices. I don't think that should be a thing. It's so stupid because my new phone only comes with 8 gigabytes. And that's kind of good, but like if it just gave me 8 gigabytes to actually use for apps, but no, it gives you 8 gigabytes and then it uses like most of it. Come on. I choose you. Come on. Hello. Come on. I'm gonna clear it. Where is it? I don't know how I did not see it there. Okay. So I'm back to this seriously game thing. Let me check if I can still one-shot everything. Or actually open the crate. That'd be a lot better. Okay, let's see. There we go. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. I'm not one-shotting everything like I normally do. And that guy gave me a ton of damage when I evolved him. Now I can insta-kill pretty much everything. There we go, 3 EE. Just gonna keep going. Well, I think I'm gonna end it off here, guys. If you guys enjoy it, please leave a like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.